raining outside my window. City lights are breaking down. Every drop keeps falling slower, like it's trying to hear me now. Coffee's cold, the room is quiet. Your shadow's still on my wall. I say I'm fine, but I keep lying. Every night I feel you more. I don't call, I don't explain, I just listen to the rain. It's saying everything I couldn't say. The rain knows my name tonight. Every tear I try to hide. I don't have to be okay when the sky feels the same. I let the silence break my pride. Let the hurt fall from my eyes. If I'm lonely, that's alright. The rain knows my name tonight. Your laugh still lives in my head, like a song I can't turn off. I pretend I've already moved on, but the truth keeps holding on. I don't text, I don't chase, I just stand here in this place. Let the rain say all the things I erase. The rain knows my name tonight. Every tear I try to hide. I don't have to be okay when the sky feels the same. I let the silence break my pride. Let the hurt fall from my eyes. If I'm lonely, that's alright. The rain knows my name tonight. Maybe when the morning comes, I'll be stronger, I'll be fine. But right now I'm just a heart learning how to cry. The rain knows my name tonight. I don't have to run or fight. In this moment I can stay. Let the sadness fade away. I'll breathe out, I'll let it fall. I don't have to say it all. For this night I'll be okay. 'Cause the rain knows my name. It's raining and it's cold.